Hello everybody, today we are headed to the backyard to barbecue some delicious tequila lime chicken. Let's go. You will need 1.5 teaspoons salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, the zest of 1 lime and the juice of 2 limes, 1 jalapeno diced, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, chopped cilantro, 1 cup of orange juice, and 3/4 cup of a white or clear tequila. You will also need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 2 pounds. Start by chopping your cilantro and adding it to your bowl. Add 1 cup of orange juice and 3/4 cup of tequila. Next, add the zest of 1 lime. Add the juice of 2 limes. Remove the seeds of 1 jalapeno, then dice. Add your garlic, onion powder, cumin, coriander, chili powder, and salt and pepper. With a whisk, combine all ingredients. Add your marinade to your chicken in a Ziploc freezer bag or airtight container. Zip the bag closed, making sure you remove any excess air. Massage the bag to ensure that all the chicken gets coated with the marinade. Place in the refrigerator and allow to marinate for at least 2 hours. We marinated ours overnight. Remove your chicken from the refrigerator and heat your grill. Place your chicken onto the hot grill. Allow to cook for 8 minutes, then turn over. Brush some of the leftover marinade onto your chicken and allow to cook for an additional 8 minutes. Remove chicken from flame and place onto the upper rack or indirect heat and cook for 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. You are now ready to serve this delicious and juicy tequila lime chicken with your favorite side dish. We hope you liked the video and try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.